What's up people, my name is Shivam and you're watching Sailor Brothers. So today in this episode we are discussing about bridge. Right now I am on bridge and this is my night watch. We are at anchor right now outside Dampier, Australia. So we have a one day anchorage before we go inside the port. So tomorrow is our pilot booked and today we are at anchor. So wind is not that much, it's a night time. Weather is fair, temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius and everything looks normal. So I thought to make a video on bridge. So what all equipments are there inside the bridge, what all things we operate, I will show you one by one what all equipments are there. So for that I have wore this chesty and I will put GoPro here. I am trying this for the first time, so let's see how the outcome of the video looks like. But I will start explaining you after I put this GoPro here. So first of all I will make a coffee and then we will start with the bridge tour. Let's put this GoPro here. So this is the main entrance of the bridge. We'll open this and we are here. We are on bridge right now. So this is the first view of the bridge once we enter the bridge. So first of all I will make a coffee. This is our small pantry and this is my cup. On this ship I have two watches, from morning 8 to 12 and then evening 2000 to 2400. We have other watchkeepers also. All the watchkeepers keep 8 hours watch in a day, so from morning 4 and evening 4 hours. So generally all the watchkeepers have different timings, like I am keeping 8 to 12 watches here, other third officer is keeping 4 to 8 and second officer is keeping 12 to 4. So 12 to 4 in the afternoon and 12 to 4 at the night. So this is the schedule of the watchkeepers on all the ships. Rest chief officer is, if there is one third officer, chief officer is also keeping watches. Otherwise he keeps a watch weekly or depends on the work. So this is the watch schedule on ships, and coffee is very important. Okay, so we are done with coffee. Let's go. So this is the front view. Here are most of the equipments. Rest all the equipments are at the back side also. So if you see these computers, this is EGDIS. So EGDIS is electronic chart device. So all the charts, all the world charts are here. As you can see, we are here at west coast of Australia. So you see Australia here, we are here. You see this yellow mark, so we are here and we are anchored over here. Our port is also somewhere near to this anchorage only. So we will be moving tomorrow afternoon. We will be going inside and we will load here. So in Australia we are loading propane and butane. After that we'll go for discharging in China. So we have two EGDISes on board. We have one EGDIS, this is number one EGDIS, primary EGDIS, and we have secondary EGDIS, so that is secondary EGDIS. So we have two EGDISes on board. Primary mode of navigation is EGDIS and secondary mode of navigation is also EGDIS. In other ships, in some of the ships, right, most of the ships have EGDIS right now, primary and backup means of navigation, but some of the ships have paper charts as well. So some of the ships have primary mode of navigation as EGDIS and secondary mode of navigation as paper chart. So there are two modes of navigation. So as per SOLAS requirements and IMO requirements, we should have two means of navigation. So two modes of navigation. So one is EGDIS, other can also be EGDIS, other can also be a paper chart. So it depends, either one of them. So okay, so now we have these computers. As you can see, they look identical but they are different. We have two radars on board. We have number 1 radar and number 2 radar. Number 1 radar is S-band radar and number 2 is X-band radar. So number 1 radar, let's start with number 1 radar. So number 1 radar is S-band radar and this is used for long range detection. And we have another radar, this is X-band radar. This is used for short range detection. This is also used for search and rescue transponder. So if somewhere near us any search and rescue transponder is activated, so we will see the signals of that search and rescue transponder on this. Monitor will be covered with concentric circles and blips. So this is used for search and rescue transponder and short range scanning. This is used for long range scanning. So we have 2 radars for scanning different type of targets. And let's go to another way. So this is the main console of steering. So this is our steering. So we go like this, we steer like this. So if you have seen in the movies, they have big helm, they have big wheel, so they do like this. Like if you have seen in Titanic, I will put the video here.
On the head full, Mr. Moody. Very good, sir.
But now we have very small one. I have seen smaller also, smaller than this also. They have only like this. So they just rotate it like this. So this is slightly bigger one. So we have this one. This is hydraulically operated. And we have 2 systems here, system 1 and 2. This is also connected with autopilot. So we have 2 autopilots here. So we switch it on weekly basis. So everything looks digital. So this is digital. We also have analog display also there. If you see on the top, all these circular analog meters, they have a different purpose. I will show it to you later on once we go further. Okay, so finish with steering. And actually this is a gyro. This is gyro compass. This is electronically operated. So the main gyro compass is here. So this is the main gyro compass. We have a secondary gyro compass also, that is in the aft of this, that is equipment room, that is aft of the bridge. Also we have a magnetic compass there on the bridge. On top of the bridge there is, that is called Monkey Island. So on Monkey Island we have a magnetic compass. So if you can see this is a periscope, and the periscope scope is coming from top. So here we can see the magnetic heading. So we have gyro compass, we have magnetic compass. This is gyro compass, and on top we have magnetic compass. Magnetic compass works on the magnetism of Earth combined with ship's magnetism. So that is aligned in a way that it works on magnetism. But this gyro compass, this works on electrically operated. This is electrically operated. It works on electricity. So let's move ahead. Okay, so this is, I have already told you what it is. This is secondary egg dish. So that is primary egg dish, this is secondary egg dish. So on secondary egg dish everything is same, just this is a replica of the first egg dish. So all the charts are here. As you can see, India is here, we have China. So all the world charts are here. So wherever we are going, we can just order the charts and we can see that area in detail. Like this is South America. So right now we are not in South America, so we can just see the outlines. But if we are going there, we will order the charts, the permits will come, we will install the permits, and then we can see in detail what all things are there. Like I will show you in Australia, we have the charts of Australia right now, we have all the permits valid. So if I zoom in, I can see everything in detail, like what all buoys are there, what is the landmark, what light is there, what is the range, and everything, what all notices are there, where is the anchorages, where are the pipelines. So I can see everything because we have the charts of this area. Okay, so this is our anchorage, this is our anchor circle. Many informations here, so all the equipments are integrated, so all the informations we can get on the egg dish also. Like we have speed, plan course, course to steer, cross track alarms, speed over ground, speed through water, heading, time, and many things are there. So we have a bunch of information embedded in this egg dish. So I have divided this bridge tour in 2 parts. As the video was becoming too long, it was around 20 minutes. So when I edited it, I made it to around 17 minutes. So now I am dividing this video into 2 parts. So part 1 and part 2. So this will be the part 1 and next video will be the part 2. So stay tuned for the long video. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write it in the comment section. Signing off from this bridge video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.